What's going on YouTube? This your boy Antlo back with another video. Just wanted to show you guys some of the upcoming mods for the C7 Corvette. Have a handcrafted hydrocarbon steering wheel, hydrocarbon dash kit, and a hydrocarbon center console kit. The center console kits came from CorvetteMods.com and the steering wheel from handcrafted.com. Look forward to the next video showing the installation of the other mods. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks guys. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Antlo back with another video. Just cleaned up the C7 Corvette. About to get some mods done on it. She's looking real good right now. It's gonna be some changes on that backside. But she is clean, got the ceramic coat. Makes it so much easier to clean this thing. But I do have some mods coming. There are going to be a few exterior mods, some engine mods, and some interior mods. So I'm going to give you some before shots, and then I'll come back with the after shots after the mods are completed. Stay tuned.